Hey there folks, in this video I'm super excited to walk you through an awesome all-in-one trading toolkit that's gonna help you crush it in your trading game in 2025 and beyond. So to get this bad boy on your chart, head over to TradingView, pick any stock or crypto you're vibing with, and choose whatever time frame floats your boat. Then hit up the indicators tab, type in comprehensive trading toolkit, and boom, you'll see the one by Big Beluga. Once you've got it on your chart, the first thing you want to do is give it a double click to turn on the divergence and correction detection features. Hit OK and you're ready to roll. This is the comprehensive trading toolkit by Big Beluga, and I bet you're wondering, yo, what's the deal with this thing? Well, it's like a Swiss Army knife for traders. It helps you spot market trends, catch potential reversals, and keep your risk in check. Let's break down what makes this tool so dope by diving into its three main features: RSI divergences, correction boxes, and support and resistance levels. Ready? Let's start with RSI divergences. Down at the bottom of the indicator, you've got this RSI section. The white line is your RSI line, and it comes with all the classic RSI goodies. The 50 line smack in the middle, the 70 line up top for overbought, and the 30 line at the bottom for oversold. This RSI part is all about spotting divergences. The indicator throws up red and blue lines to show them off: blue for bullish divergence, red for bearish ones. When you're trading with this, you wait for those divergences to show up. A bullish one means you're gearing up for long positions, while a bearish one has you eyeing those short trades. Next up, we've got correction boxes. You might be like, what's a correction box? Basically, it's a way to flag a big price drop. Think a percentage slide that you can tweak in the settings. Say the market dips 5%, that's a correction, and it gets marked. If you dial it down to 3%, a 3% drop gets the label. These boxes always show up in a chill light blue color. Since a correction is just a price drop, there's no bullish or bearish version. It's just a correction, plain and simple. Traders usually say a correction is a 10% or bigger drop, and that can play out over hours, days, or even weeks. This indicator slaps blue shaded boxes on those drops, triggered by whatever percentage you set, so you can spot major market moves fast. Last but definitely not least, we've got support and resistance levels, shown as red and green lines. Green's your support, red's your resistance. This tool's smart. It picks out the key levels based on price pivots. When the price is chilling above a level, you get a green zone for support. If it falls below, a red zone pops up for resistance. Over time, you'll notice some levels have solid lines. Those are the heavy hitters, while others have dashed lines, which are a bit weaker. Before we jump into how to trade with this, let's peek at the settings. In the Inputs tab, you've got a support and resistance length set to 30 by default. That's how far back the tool looks to find those levels. Crank it up to 100. I will dig up levels from 100 bars back. I'm gonna pump mine to 50 for this demo. You can also mess with the colors of those support and resistance lines. Then there's the RSI settings where you can tweak the RSI length, overbought and oversold levels. There's divergence length settings too. I'm keeping it at default 10. For corrections, I'm sticking with a 5% drop. This tile tab lets you toggle a bunch of visual stuff on or off. Once you're happy, hit OK. So how do we use these three features, divergences, correction zones, and support and resistance levels, to make some sweet trades? Let's kick things off with divergences and pair them with correction zones for some juicy profits. But before that, I want to introduce you to my trading family at Bybit.
Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom, Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success.
Alright, let's talk trading again. First, keep an eye out for a correction zone. That's the light blue box. Then you want a bullish divergence to pop up right after it. A correction zone alone hints that the price might bounce back after a big drop, but a bullish divergence gives you that extra confidence. Once you spot that divergence, wait for a chunky bullish candle that's bigger than the last few. That's your signal the price might keep climbing. Go long, set your stop loss at the lowest low from the divergence, and aim for a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Yeah, you heard me right. 1 to 3. This one's more of a long-term play, and in our example, it paid off big time. But hold up, there's another way to play this. For the second strategy, we're mixing support and resistance levels with divergences. Start by finding a solid support level that's a green line with a solid center. Then wait for the price to form a bullish divergence while it's testing that support level. The closer the divergence is to the support, the better your odds of an upward move. Keep in mind, divergence signals can lag a bit, usually by about 10 candles. But that doesn't change the plan. Once you see the divergence, hold off until you get a bullish engulfing candle or a strong bullish one. Then go long, set your stop loss below the support, and target the next resistance level. In our example, this gave a solid risk-reward ratio and ended up in the green. For a short trade, flip the script. Find the strong resistance level, that's a red line with a solid center, then look for a bearish divergence to form. We've got one in this example. Wait for a candle that's bigger than the last few, then enter a short position. Set your stop loss above the resistance and aim for the next support level down below. Let the trade run, and as you can see, it worked out nicely. Alright, y'all, that's the comprehensive trading toolkit by Big Beluga. In all its glory, it's a total game changer for traders who want a clear, step-by-step way to read the market and plan their moves like a pro. Want to give it a spin? You can find it on TradingView. That's a wrap for this video. I hope you got some serious value out of it. If you did, smash that like button or maybe even hit subscribe to keep up with the good stuff. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.